Personally, I can't wait to look back on this video in a year and see whether or not I'm right about this. What is going on, you guys? Andrew back with yet another video. Today we're going to be talking about what I think might be the sleeper Jordan sneaker of the year. Let's get into it. So as you guys can see here, we've got a lot of bags. There's a lot of bags that came with this shoe. You got some extra laces. You got 2 sets of extra laces. That's what I'm talking about, baby. What we've got here today is the Air Jordan 3 Patchwork. Now, a couple of things I want to point out about this shoe in general. We're going to get into the different levels of materials and colors. I want to talk about this box here. I haven't bought a pair of Jordans in a while. Is this the box that these are coming in? Because this is not a regular Jordan 3 box. They've got all of this brilliant photography work. They've got these sketches of different Jordan sneakers. They've got an old Jordan 2 ad, a prototype sketch of the Jordan 11, prototype sketches of the Jordan 3. I mean, what else do they got on here? I didn't even really see. It's all these incredible ads that Nike has put out over the years, and honestly, this box is worthy of acknowledgement in and of itself. So we're going to talk about that, and then we're going to move on. So now that we've got the box out of the way, let's talk about the actual sneakers themselves. Guys, this is a pair of Jordan 3s unlike anything I've ever seen before. Now, I have had a pair of Jordan 3s on this channel that a lot of you really enjoyed watching. It was the ones that I painted, the All-Star Jordan 3s. I painted them to look like the black cement Jordan 3s. These might replace them as my favorite Jordan 3s in my collection. Obviously, you've got the classic design of the Jordan 3. That part is consistent. You've got the different paneling. You've got different materials on the panels themselves. You've got canvas. You got this heavy-duty feel. It almost feels like a military-grade sneaker itself. Now, there's just all these different levels of olive. There's this long-haired suede on the tongue up here, what feels like canvas throughout. You got a couple of different types of camo patterns. You got some more suede on the back heel, and you've got this Velcro feeling patch on the back. On the back of the tongue, you've got this patch of orange. Now, if you look at the shoes side by side as well, you're gonna see they are different. They are almost mismatched altogether. Now, personally, if I had to take a pick, I would say the one on the left is my favorite. I don't know if these are going to be different for everyone. Heavy olive tones throughout, a military grade feel to it, and I'm not someone who likes camo sneakers. I don't own a pair of camo sneakers because I think camo is ugly in general, but this is one that I thought, this is so tastefully done. Maybe tastefully is the wrong word, maybe just correctly done is the right word for it. So having these in hand, guys, I can tell you right now, I'm so glad I did not sleep on these. I was able to buy these an hour after they dropped on sneakers. They were in my size. They almost had a full size run available, and I'm surprised that more people weren't jumping on these. Aside from the wild uppers, you got black laces, black eyelets. The black laces came with it, but you also have orange laces and some light brown laces. I'm not sure which would look better. I think I'm going to keep the black laces in there, but I feel like the light brown might look best. Orange laces are going to look ridiculous in my opinion. It's not something I can really pull off. You've got an off-white midsole, black parts on the outsole, and on the bottom of each shoe, you've got this orange and black and off-white paneling. It's almost as if they said, let's make a Jordan 3 colorway based off of the undefeated 4s, and I think hit the nail on the head right there. This is about as close to a pair of undefeated 4s as I'm ever going to get. You got the same orange sock liner behind the tongue. You got the same hits of black and aged white along the midsole and that same olive theme throughout the whole upper. Now, what I will say for sure, there have been a lot of images of this back heel circulating online. I can tell you right now, quality control did not let me down. I know, if you guys know what I'm talking about, I'm not going to just come out and say that what appeared on somebody's sneaker, but Quality control didn't let me down. What I am happy to see, though, is that they included Nike Air patches. So the back heel is actually, let me see if I can, where's my knife? So the back heel of each sneaker is actually a Velcro patch, and they included 2 Nike Air patches, which they don't feel like any regular patches, but you got Nike Air here, and I'm gonna just test fit them real quick. So it's not really meant to, that's a little weird. So, I don't know, there's like a few spots where it's actually sticking. Is it only sticking on the Jumpman itself? Alright, so that's kind of, as you're walking, let's say like you kick real quick, like what happens? Alright, so maybe I spoke a little too soon about the quality control. This is like live in the moment, you're seeing my reaction to a design flaw. Maybe it's just the right shoe. Maybe it's, okay, because like the patch itself is sticking out. Like it's not flat against the back panel there. Let me try the other shoe. Yeah, same thing. It's like the Velcro itself, it's finding a little spot, but it's not actually sticking. That's so funny. That's kind of a bummer. I'm not gonna lie though. Honestly, very let down by that. I'm very let down by that. I was really hoping it would be like a seamless just application. That kind of sucks. Did Jordan Brand send me a faulty pair of sneakers? There's your title card there. There's your clickbaity title. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I still like the shoe. And one more little detail I wanted to point out. I saw this on the back of the Jumpman logo there on the heel tab. It says Textile Multi HO21 Holiday 21 Jordan 3 SP Special Projects, I guess, 0001. So I think it's like the first iteration of like their special holiday themed. Oh yeah, Air Jordan 3 Special Projects on the other. So you've got this heel tab back there. It says Air Jordan 3 Special Projects. And on the first one, it says, let me go back, Textile Multi Holiday 21 Air Jordan 3 Special Projects 0001. So I guess this is like the first of their attempts at some special edition Jordan 3s or Jordan sneakers in general. I don't know about any others that are coming out this holiday season, but there you guys have my first look and honest opinions about the faulty Velcro. First look and honest opinions about the Air Jordan 3 Patchwork. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, comment down below what you guys think. If you slept on this sneaker, let me know if this video made you want to change your mind. I feel like that Velcro patch isn't going to make you do it, but I still think this is going to be one of the most slept on pairs this year. Let me know if you copped and if you enjoy him. I don't know him personally, but Jay's Are Dead on Instagram, the guy who comes out with some of the craziest looking concept colorways, has ranted and raved about this particular pair of shoes. He was extremely excited to have them. I saw his post today. These were supposed to arrive, and I was just so excited to have these in hand after seeing his stamp of approval. So shout out to Jay's Are Dead. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, comment below what you guys think. If I don't catch you guys before the end of the year, have a great holiday season. Until next time, guys, this is Andrew signing off. Peace. I think I'm going to throw these on feet right now. Let me see. Usually I save a pair of sneakers for like a special occasion or for like, I'm just wearing sweats right now. I usually like don't want to wear them right away because I'm like, oh, let me save them for the right time. But yeah, go true to size. Definitely go true to size. These are great. These fit. I don't know why I'm so weird about wearing sneakers the first time. Like, fuck, I almost broke something. I don't know why I'm so weird about wearing sneakers the first time around. Sometimes I'm like, oh, I'll wear them immediately. Sometimes I'm like, oh, I'll wear those next year. Like, why do I do that? I don't know. And now this one's fitting a little snug. I can appreciate a shoe that has multiple pairs of laces. I do like the black laces the best, I think. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.